Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Malicious software removal tool to keep your computer safe from malware for free. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of running and utilizing MSRT to scan and remove malicious software from your PC. This guide will help you safeguard your system and ensure a smooth and secure computing experience. Don't let malware slow you down. Open Run by Windows + R. Then use MRT. Scanning option. Quick scan. Fast scan targeting critical areas. Best for regular checks to remove immediate threats. Full scan. Thorough scan covering entire system. Recommended periodically for comprehensive detection. Scan only specific folders/files. Targets selected locations for scanning. Useful for checking suspicious downloads. Faster but may miss threats outside selected areas. I hope this helps.